This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Thursday, June 18, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 closed down 1.25% as traders brace for central bank decisions, and the VIX fell to 16.41, signaling extreme fear ahead of key policy events.
The S&P 500 closed at 740.96, down 1.25%. The Nasdaq 100 fell 1.1% to 722.51, and the Dow Jones dropped 0.99% to 516.3. On the upside, ENA surged 699% after a mysterious spike. Bain jumped 900%, and Augur rose 900%. The energy sector led the decline, down 1.25%, while utilities fell 1.33%. The technology sector dropped 0.34%, and the consumer discretionary sector was down 2.51%.
Now, let's turn to corporate news and earnings.
Core Scientific reported disappointing Q4 results, sending shares lower. No major earnings reports today, but SEC filings included Volato Group, Xometry, and enGene Therapeutics. Dividend ex-dates are coming up, including GLQ, Goop, Artgal, Bcore, and XDT, all with ex-dates on June 17.
Moving to the macroeconomic outlook. The Fed funds rate remains at 3.63%, with the 2-year Treasury at 4.2% and the 10-year at 4.49%. The yield curve is flat, with a 0.27 percentage point spread. Inflation remains above target, with CPI at 4.17% year-over-year and core PCE at 3.29%. The U.S. added 159,001 jobs in May, and the unemployment rate stands at 4.3%. Tomorrow, the BOJ and SNB will announce rate decisions at 3:00 UTC and 08:30 UTC, respectively. Time for the Risk Radar.
Risk Desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Now, let's look ahead.
Watch dollar-yen as the Bank of Japan decision looms, and euro-dollar could test new lows. The S&P 500 faces key support at 739.22. Tomorrow's economic calendar includes the BOE rate decision at 12:00 UTC. The most important thing to watch: central bank policy divergence is driving volatility.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.